12-inch chainsaw here, and I'm just going to jump in. I want to get this opened up. So far I've been really happy with Hart tools, and they've also gone on clearance all the time, which is why I picked this one up. Wow, that's a big 20-volt battery. Weird. It's a 4 amp hour. How awesome is that? I don't have any 4 amp hour batteries until now. Just instructions. I always forget to read those anyway. Cardboard, charger. Let's see how much of a charge this battery has. So, press oil. Oh, that's neat. Well, I'm gonna have to put oil in it eventually, but for this video, I'm not gonna bother. That's where you'd put your oil, and it does have a little zip tie on there. Nice. This battery's big. It looks like the 40-volt ones. Nice. That is awesome. I really like it. Feels like a really solid tool. I think that's going to work perfect for me. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.